Okay, so once you log into Happy Numbers, you will see a tab called Reports at the top left. You'll click Reports. Under the Reports tab, you'll see a class summary that includes two charts, a pie chart and a bar chart representing the data. For my safety of my students, I'm not going to be able to show you all of its features, but I'll tell you in detail. The data includes the grade distribution and the students' readiness according to their performance on the activities, as well as the post-assessments. If you hover over a specific portion on the chart, you will see the students that are included in that data. So for example, if I hover over the purple portion, it'll come up with the 10 students that are categorized in that data. Same for the green. You will also see a portion on this tab called Class Activity. This is where you are provided a color-coded chart that represents how many students completed the weekly target based on each week. Our current target is 45 minutes per week. My favorite part of the Reports tab is the Activities stream, so I'm going to go over and show you that. So the class summary was the graphs. I just showed you the two different types of graphs. And then if I go over, you'll see the class activities. So you'll see how many students each week completed the goal. You'll see the red is students that have not even started. So I've gone over to the left side of the page, the right side of the page, that way you don't see my students' names. But as you can see right here, it says weekly target. So this is, the greens mean they completed the 45 minutes for the past 4 weeks, or the past 3 weeks, and then this student is not yet done with this week yet. This is their learning path, and their goal is to get to grade 1 readiness, and they, if following the 45 minutes week, should be there in 3 weeks. Their math growth is assuming that after each time they assess, they're making growth, which is another interesting thing to see as a teacher. The activity stream is what I said was my favorite part. Let's see if it can go. Okay, so here we have, once you get to the activity stream, you can see the summary of what the students completed, how long it took them to complete, and the number of problems solved. Once you click on Show More Details, you can see the breakdown, including the accuracy and the objective. So if I click, I actually think I'd have to click. Let's click right here, Show Details. So I've gone over so we can't see the name, but it does say the topic was decomposing strategies for subtraction. And right here, record a number line scenario as an equation that shows subtraction from 3, 4, or 5. It took her 22 minutes, and the accuracy was a 10 out of 23. It has all modules lined up just like this. This is very concrete data for a teacher.